Welcome to my channel. Setting up Linksys LN1301 router. Step 1. Disconnect your current router. Step 2. Connect your modem to the router's Internet port using an Ethernet cable. Step 3. Turn on the router and wait for the indicator light to become solid purple, signaling it's ready for setup. Step 4. Connect a computer to the default Wi-Fi name and password, located on the product label. Step 5. Launch a browser. Enter https://192.168.1.1, the default IP address of the router, in the address bar, and then hit Enter. Step 6. Enter the router password and then click Sign In. The default password is the same as the default Wi-Fi password, located on the product label. Step 7. You are now on the router dashboard. Take note that the network status shows no internet connection. Step 8. Click on Connectivity Internet Settings and click on Edit. Step 9. Select the network connection type, e.g., PPPoE, Static IP, Automatic Configuration, DHCP. Step 10. Wait until the network status shows Connected on the dashboard. Refresh the page if needed. Step 11. Once the status shows Connected, your network is ready to use. Thank you for watching.